Good credit is essential because it can open up numerous financial opportunities. From getting lower interest rates on loans to having access to premium credit cards, good credit is a key to financial freedom. I've built my credit from scratch, and today, I'm going to share how you can do the same. The first step to building good credit is to open a secured credit card. This is a great way to start if you have no credit history. Next, always pay your bills on time. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. Finally, understand your credit reports and scores. Regularly check them to ensure there are no errors. Once you have good credit, you can start reaping the rewards. You'll get lower interest rates on loans and mortgages, which can save you thousands of dollars. You'll also have access to premium credit cards that offer rewards like cashback and travel points. Good credit can also help you start a business with better financing options and make it easier to get approved for rentals or jobs. To maximize the benefits of good credit, consider credit card churning for travel rewards. This involves opening multiple credit cards to take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Use 0% APR offers wisely to finance large purchases without paying interest. And if you're interested in real estate, good credit can help you get better loan terms, making it a great investment opportunity. There are some common pitfalls to avoid when managing your credit. Over-leveraging your credit can lead to financial trouble. Make sure you're not taking on more debt than you can handle. Also, don't ignore small changes that can impact your credit score. Even minor late payments or high credit utilization can have a big effect. In conclusion, good credit is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom. By taking small steps to build and maintain your credit, you can unlock numerous financial opportunities. Subscribe to Gen Z Dollar to continue to grow with us every day, and thank you for watching.